say. Before I leave, there's really no dishes. I think I'm gonna hand wash some of these cups because I want to get the cups real clean. So I'll do that later. So I went to the Dollar Tree, y'all. All right, y'all, primer. Ah, but these is type cute though, real cute. No? Like, look at that. Gram. Shout out to Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video, guys. Now, before we get into the install portion of this video, I wanted to come over here and let you guys know after 4 days what I really think about this unit. Now, starting off, this is an absolutely gorgeous 13x4 real scalp unit, guys. Now, as you guys saw in the intro of this video, this is a real scalp, so you don't have to do anything to manipulate this scalp. It's already perfectly parted and realistic AF. And obviously, you guys can see this unit is actually kind of glueless if you think about it. Now, obviously, you guys know this is a 13x4, so of course I did go ahead and tape the ear tabs down right here so you guys can see how absolutely seamless this ear tab section is. All I did was use tape and the unit lays to the gods. Now obviously, guys, I could still shift this area up here, but even shifting the area up there does not move the tape whatsoever. The unit is pretty secure on this side, and I will show you guys a cute little updo, and it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. This unit is lovely, and the one thing that I want you guys to notice about this unit is that it comes pre-layered. So this is the first company to have a pre-layered unit. Now, you guys know I like to get scissor happy. You guys know I love to put layers into my unit, but I didn't have to do that with this unit today. Straight out of the box, I added my own buffer to it, and look at how gorgeous this, like, it came with its pre-layered bangs, a Farrah Fawcett look, guys. And again, if you don't know how to layer hair, if you don't know how to do any of that stuff, cut hair, you don't have to do it with this unit from Beautyforever Hair. It already comes ready. It comes pre-cut, pre-everything, down to the style. So it's pre-styled as well. Absolutely stunning, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see how I installed this one and how effortless and easy it was. Shout out to Beautyforever Hair for sponsoring today's video, guys. Again, very nice hair, very minimal shedding. It doesn't tangle at all. And the unit is also very secure, guys. It comes with a drawstring, adjustable strap, and also adjustable hook. So when I tell you the wig ain't going nowhere, babes, it's not going anywhere. Very, very secure. Like, look at that. Just gorgeous. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave all the links down below and a coupon code. Now let's go ahead and jump into the install portion.